Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to see more mature content on X, formerly known as Twitter. Here's how to do it. Open your X app, click on your profile at the top left corner. You have to expand settings and support. Go to settings and privacy. Click on privacy and safety. Click on content you see. Now click on sensitive data. Here there are 3 sections. They have graphics violence, adult content and other. Click on graphics violence and click on show all. Click on adult content and click on show all. And lastly, go to other and click on show all. By default, these adult content are not actually against X terms of service, just that by default they are going to blur it so that you can't see it. But if you want to see it more, just click on show all for 3 of them. From now on, you're going to see more sensitive and mature content on X. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.